Welcome to all my dear students. Chapter area, after learning formula of area of different figures, we will apply that in this practice set wherein we have to find the area of the given plots. Practice set 15.5. We have learnt about area of triangle, area of trapezium, area of parallelogram, area of rhombus. Depending upon the plot or depending upon the figure, we will apply appropriate formula and find out the area of this total plot. Okay, so as you can see in this plot, we have one triangle. This is a triangle QAP. After triangle QAP, we can apply the formula now here. So we will get area of this triangle QAP. So just I'll shade this area. Which formula are we going to apply here? We can see height and we can see the base. Base is 30, height is 50. So half into base into height will give us this area. Then coming to the right side, you can see a quadrilateral here, which looks like, is this a parallelogram? No. Is this a rhombus? No. Is it looking like a trapezium? Yes, you can see parallel sides QA and RC and non-parallel sides AC and QR. Yeah, this is a trapezium. Area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Height is this. Fine? Fine? So, height is AC, right? So, we can apply that formula. Again, here this is another triangle RCS. Base we know, height we know. Apply the formula. Then coming down, you can see a big triangle here, wherein the base is PS. So, PS will be PA plus AB plus BC plus CS. That is 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 60. And height is BT. Okay. So, one figure we'll take, find out the area, and finally we will add all the areas and we get area of the plot. So let's start. So as you can see in this figure, as we discussed, I have found the area of triangle QAP. Triangle QAP, the base is PA, base PA, and that is 30 meter. All the measurements are in meter. It is given in the question. Height QA 50 meter. And I wrote the formula. Area of triangle QAP is equal to half into base into height. Substitute it. Therefore, area of triangle QAP is equal to half into 30 into 50. 2 ones are 2 15s I did. 50 into 15, we got 750 square meter. Area of triangle QAP is equal to 750 square meter. After the triangle, let us move on to this. What is this figure? It is a trapezium. So, I have mentioned it. In trapezium QACR, the parallel sides names are QA 50 meter. Lengths of parallel sides is equal to length of QA 50 meter. Next parallel side is RC 25 meter. Then what about the height? Height is the distance between parallel sides. These two are the parallel sides and the distance between them is 30 plus 30. AC. So height I have written AC 30 plus 30 60 meter. Therefore, area of quadrilateral QACR. It's a trapezium. So we'll write the formula first. Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Sum of parallel sides into. So half into sum of parallel sides means it will be 50 plus 25 multiplied by height into height. Height is 60. So 2 ones are, and here I can cancel. 50 plus 25, we are getting 75 into 30, which is equal to 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 21, 22. 2250 square meter Write down the answer and highlight it. Area of quadrilateral QACR is equal to 2250 square meter. So in this figure, we got area of triangle and area of trapezium. So these all area we completed. Next we move on to triangle RCS. In triangle RCS, base is CS 60 and height is RC 25. Mention both base and height and find out the area. Similarly, for triangle PTS, base is PS and height is BT. Find out the area. Do that much, pause the video, get the answer and then start. So as you can see, I have written in triangle RCS, formula for area of triangle is half into base into height. Base is equal to CS 60 meter, height is equal to RC 25 meters. So half into base into height means half into 60 into 25. Here we can cancel. Now 30 into 25, let us multiply. 5 3s are 15, carry 1. And 3 2s are 6 and 750 square meter. Area of triangle RCS is equal to 750 square meter. Highlight it. And moving on to the last triangle, the name of the triangle is in triangle PTS. Base is equal to PS, which is equal to PA plus AB plus BC plus CS. As you can see in the question, see, base is PS, that is equal to PA plus AB, PA plus AB plus BC plus CS, which is equal to 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 60. Okay, so which is equal to 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 60, which is equal to 60, 90 and 150 meter total. Okay, then height, the height is given clearly. BT is equal to 30 meter. Apply the formula. Area of triangle PTS is equal to half into base into height, half into base into height, which is equal to half into 150 multiplied by 30. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14 and 5s are, which is equal to 75 into 3, 30, let us do. 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 7 3s are 21, 22 square meter. This is area of triangle PTS. Now the final step, area of plot. Area of the plot is equal to area of, first what we found, area of triangle QAP plus area of quadrilateral, the name of the quadrilateral, that is the trapezium, was QACR plus area of triangle RCS plus area of triangle PTS. Add all the values. What was the value for the first triangle that we got? The area of the first triangle was, area of QAP was 750 plus 2250, quadrilateral QACR was 2250 plus RCS was also 750 plus the last triangle is 2250. Add all the measurements carefully and get the answer. See, I have done all the calculation. So we get the final answer as 6000. 750 plus 750 plus 2250 plus 2250. So we get the final answer as 6000 square meter. All the measures are in meter. Area means square meter. Write down the final answer. Area of plot. Write the answer once again. Area of plot is, area of plot is 6,000 square meter. Okay, so this practice set is just application of your formulas. Moving on to the second sum. Coming to the second sum, here as you can see, this plot consists of many triangles, no other figures. So very simple, you have to use the formula of area of triangle. If base and height is given, you will use half into base into height, as you can see in this triangle BAE, where you have the base AE and height is BA. Base is AE and the height is BA. How much is AE? How will you find that? We don't know AE. AE is not given in the figure. So how will you get it? You will start this way. In triangle BAE, angle BAE is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by hypotenuse side test, hypotenuse is BE. BE square is equal to BA square plus AE square, which is equal to BA is 24 square plus AE we don't know, so AE will write as it is, and BE, the hypotenuse, is 30 square. So therefore 30 square minus 24 square is equal to AE square. 30 plus 24, 30 minus 24. A square minus B square, A plus B, A minus B is equal to AE square. Therefore, 30 plus 24 will be 54 multiplied by 30 minus 24 is 6 is equal to AE square. So therefore, AE is equal to square root of 54 into 6. Now I know 9 how much are 54? 9 6 are 54 and this 6 I'll write. 54 is 9 6 are and this 6 also I wrote. Okay. What is square root of 9? Square root of 9 is 3. And out of these two 6, 1 6 will come out. So we get AE as 18 meter. Okay. So in the figure also specify AE is 18. So can you find out now the area of triangle BAE? Therefore, area of triangle BAE is equal to half into base into height. Base is AE, which is equal to 18 meter, and height is BA, which is equal to 24 meter. So use the formula area of triangle BAE is equal to half into 18 into, what was the height? 24. 2 1s are 2 9s are, multiply 9 4s are 36, carry 3, 9 2s are 18 and 21 square meter. Area of triangle BAE we got this way. Highlight that. Okay, so this triangle is ready. Now we have to find the area of triangle BEC. Here you know BE, you know BC, you know CE. It is 28. So all three sides you know. You will use which formula? Heron's formula. Find the semi-perimeter. Then use the formula root of S minus A, S minus B multiplied by S minus C and get the area. And for this triangle is CDE. You know the base is CE. This whole thing CE is 28, children. CE is 28, base into height. Height is given as 16. Okay. Height is given as 16. This is 16. So use the formula and get the answer. As discussed, I have written in triangle BCE, A I took 30, B I took 26 and C I took 28 meter. Semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Semi-perimeter is 30 plus 26 plus 28 upon 2. 6 plus 8 is 14, carry 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 84 upon 2 is 42 meter. Semi-perimeter we got 42 meter. Now we will find out area of triangle BCE. Formula root of S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Then square root of S we got 42, 42 minus 30, 42 minus 26 and the third side is 28, so 42 minus 28. So 42 into 42 minus 30 will be 2 minus 0, 2 and 4 minus 3, 1. 42 minus 26, this will be 12 minus 6, 12 minus 6 is 6. And 3 minus 2 is 1. And this is 12 minus 8, 4 and 3 minus 2, 1. Now, please make the calculation easy. 42, we can write it as 7 6 are 42. Came to me 7 6 are 42. Now, I'll try to write this in the form of 6. 6 2s are 12. Okay. Now, this we will write it as 4 4s are 16, right? 4 4s are 16 and 14 I'll write as 2 into 7. Now just see, all are in pair. We have 2 7, okay. Then we have 2 6, we have 2 4 and we have 2 2s. So 1 1 will come out. 7 into 6 into 2 into 4. How much is that? 7 6 are 42. 42 2s are 84. 84 into 4 we will multiply. So we got the area of triangle BCE as 336 square meter. Highlight it. Once we get the area of triangle BCE, now we have a small triangle left there. This small triangle, and this triangle's name is FDE. No, CDE. Name of the triangle is CDE, where you have the base as CE 28 and height is FD 16. Get the area. When I have calculated the area of last triangle, that is CDE, half into base into height, CE into FD, half into 28 into 16, 2 ones are, and 28 if I cancel I get 14. Done the calculation here, 14 into 16 I got 224. Okay, so now we will highlight this answer. Now what will be the area of plot? Area of plot is equal to area of triangle. What was the first triangle? First triangle was BAE. Area of triangle BAE plus area of triangle BCE plus area of last triangle was CDE. Okay, which is equal to first triangle we got how much? First triangle was 216. So 216 plus 336 plus 224. Calculate. How much are you getting? So we are getting total area as 776 square meter. I hope you understood all the sums of this type area chapter. I'll be putting one sum of this plot type sure for your exam. Kindly practice it. We will meet with the next practice set and the last practice set for this chapter. Till then, solve the sums and stay happy. Bye.